Cardano could be about to break out of one of the most bullish reversal patterns. This is the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Anyone that's trading ADA Cardano needs to be paying attention. Before we get started, I want to let you know that our members just won a brand new 4% trade win. This puts us at 11 wins and 0 losses. On top of that, we just posted 3 brand new trade setups. So with that profit our members just made, they can compound it into this and make even more money. This puts us at 4 open trades, and if you want to join us in those, you can grab a membership at the links in the description down below. With that, let's get started with the video. I'm going to take you over to the tradeconfident.io website and scrolling down to check out the Cardano metrics. If we scroll down here, the first one is the Cardano emotional index, and we have just now pushed into excited territory on this price move up. However, there is plenty of room to move up. I'm expecting to possibly even move into greedy. Right now, whales are pushing a lot of money into the general market, and with that, I'm expecting to see the price rise, and with that, the emotional sentiment rise too. Once we push into greedy, this could be the point that whales begin dumping money out of the market, and with that, the price is likely to drop from there. Next up is the Cardano volatility breakout detector. Now, there has been very little volatility in the market recently. While it has been moving upwards, it's been within a very small channel. However, this move is a highly impulsive move. It just moved up like crazy, and with that, as it continues to move up, I'm expecting to see higher and higher volatility readings. Next up is the Cardano whale smart money metric, and right now there is a lot of short trade sentiment in the market. However, it is not enough from the whales. Typically, we're looking for a metric value of -800 before whales really begin moving money out of the market. And honestly, as you'll see on the live charts, whales are still pumping money into the market. So until we see that metric value of -800, I'm expecting to see the price continue rising. However, once we hit that, that could indicate a sharp drop. So be on the lookout for that. Next up is the Cardano major support and resistance levels. Right now, we are looking at 41 and 42 cents as our levels for the possible breakout point of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. More details on that will come on the live chart, but we really desperately need to be watching that 41 and 42 cent level. Next up is Cardano long versus short trades. Today we saw a rise in long trades with a dive in short trades, and both of these combine with more people betting for moves up and less people betting for moves down. This, of course, will shoot the price up. Last but not least is the Cardano daily trade scanner. Now, we have not seen a sell signal in a while, and we're right at a structure resistance right here, that level where we did see a sell signal. However, I do expect to push past this, and if we do, as soon as we see a sell signal higher up, that's when we could see the next move down for Cardano, and that could be a good possible place to exit the market. Now, you're going to want to get access to these metrics. Things are heating up in the market, and even if you don't want to take a look at the metrics, our trade setups are absolutely crushing. If you want to just check out these scalping trades, this right here, 11 wins for 4% profit, is 44% profit overall. Our traders are absolutely killing it. So if you want to get access, you're going to want to check the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and it'll be the very first link right here for the membership. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. And the only way to get access to those scalping trade calls is with the full access $59 a month membership. It'll include extra benefits like members only content here, the trader EQ, metrics across all 20 coins on our website, and many more benefits. Just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Cardano on the 1-day time frame. You can see here we have the left shoulder, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder. This is called an inverse head and shoulders pattern, and most often this is going to be a bullish reversal. This means as the price has continued to drop, right here is going to be one of the most reliable indications of a reversal pattern in crypto. Stocks, Forex, it doesn't matter. Inverse head and shoulders are almost always going to start moving to the upside. However, anyone that's teaching this pattern will tell you that you need to wait for a breakout above the neckline. And let me show you what a neckline is right here. This horizontal line where we're seeing the shoulder, neck, and shoulder right there to connect, that is the shoulder line. If we see the price break above right here, and let me zoom in because it looks like it might be well on its way. This is an almost certain confirmation of a move up in Cardano. This will become structure support for the price moving up, and from there, even if we do see ups and back downs, this will likely become a higher low for the continued uptrend. Now, looking at the price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion, we see that they are both relatively high. However, right now we're seeing tons and tons of well money continue to pump into the market. And if that continues happening, it's very likely that we will see prices continue moving upwards too. It's kind of a difficult spot and it's kind of a weird call because we have fundamentals in the market like the Ethereum Shapella upgrade that is just posted last night. That is the main catalyst that is pushing the market upwards. As I said, though, I am expecting whales to continue pumping money back into the market. And rather than pay attention to just structure resistances for price predictions, there's actually a way you can use the head and shoulders pattern in order to find a possible breakout target. What you're going to want to do is take a line and you're going to go to the peak of the right shoulder here. From there, you're going to drop a line downwards to the peak of the head. From there, you're going to take that line and put the bottom part of it right at the point of breakout. And the top of this line is going to be the possible breakout. After scrolling out, we can see at the top of this line is decent structure resistance at 54 cents. And the next one after that, because honestly, things are really heating up. We're seeing structure resistance again, boom, right at 60 cents. So based on what we're seeing right here from the head and shoulders pattern, a typical breakout would bring us to 54 cents. However, based on how much volatility is happening in the market, I want to show you guys this 60-cent level too. Now, I'm not saying this is going to take just like instantly the next couple of days, boom, pushing up like crazy. It will take some time. We could see it take a couple of weeks before this really happens to play out. Inverse head and shoulders patterns, while extremely bullish, are mainly used to indicate the reversal and don't typically show massive volatility for an upside move. With this, I am expecting moves up and it could take some time. I really want people to pay attention to the fact that it could take some time for this move up to happen, but 60 cents right now is my top target. That's like the jackpot move that I'm looking for. From the current price, we're looking at anywhere between a 30 all the way up to a possible 40% move on Cardano. As the price moves up, we will be looking for the price versus well money flow to peak pretty much at its top point. With the trend exhaustion, it looks like it's heading back down, but as it moves back up, we're going to be looking for a high on the trend exhaustion as well. And from there, if we see a sell or a strong sell signal anywhere between these 2 points, this is almost a guarantee, especially when combined with the other indicators, to be the point that Cardano moves back down. And when it does, it's very likely back down to that neckline to see a higher low in anticipation of the next continued move up for the uptrend. Now, if you're a Cardano trader, you really need to be paying attention to this. I highly recommend picking up these indicators, these three, the TC top and bottom finder, the price versus well money flow, and the trend exhaustion indicators in order to stay updated with this. I'm going to offer you a $400 off coupon right now, and let me show you how to grab it. What you're going to want to do is check the links in the description down below. Again, just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. That link will bring you to our indicator page. Now, in order to get the best possible deal with $400 off, what you're going to want to do is purchase the bundle pack first. This will include the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow you just saw me use, as well as 7 other indicators. The pressure gauge could be really important coming up as we look for a breakout. On top of this, the bundle pack will include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder, meaning that purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators is actually cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone. And no matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment, and you get full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.